Hi, my name is Mel and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your user management system. This will apply to you if you have a members area or if there's certain parts of your website you only want particular groups of people to be able to see or particular groups of people to be able to edit. So first, what we're going to want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and to the right of this logout button there's a cog. If you hover over it, you'll be able to see it says manage users. So we'll click on that and you'll see a couple of things here already. First of all, we want to go into manage permissions. So here is where you add in your permission settings. If you're going to have a members area, you might want to add a member permission setting. The one you don't need to add is admin, because that one's already put in as a default. You might also need to add counsellors if you're going to have an area specifically for counsellors. You can really have any kind of permission that you want, as long as when you get to the page you put in that kind of permission, and when you make your users you put in the permission as well, which we'll get to in a second, don't panic. Yeah, you can write in anything you want here and click add permission and it will create a permission level for you. Now what we're going to want to do is go to the page management area. You'll see that I've already made a page called members area. We want to go onto page properties of this page. And here you'll see that we have access and permission. So for the access, these are the people who can see the page. NA, this will apply to every page across your website. These are the pages that, the general public can see. No matter who you are, you can see these pages if they have an NA access level. For the members area, we only want members to be able to see, so we're going to put that as the access. For the permission level, we don't want members to be able to edit this page. If you do, then you can put that on there. But if you only want admins to be able to edit this page, then we leave it at admin level. And this will be what the general setup looks like for a members area. If you have different areas, of course, you can change around who has access and who has permission to edit things. We then click Save Changes, and this is all made up for us. Now that we have our page set up, what we want to do is add some users or some members. So we'll go back down to Manage Users, and you'll see that we have one here already. This is our admin. As you can see, that they have access to admin level, and permissions, they have permission to see every page that the normal public can see. If you want to add any new users, we click on this button here. You'll want to give them a username, so Mel Hingston. You'll want to give them a password. I'm only using one with 3 characters for the sake of quickness, but of course you'll want to create one that's a lot more secure than this. When you give these out to your members, you'll need to give them their username and their password. Don't worry about giving them their email, they don't need that. So you'll give these two to them. We then need to edit their permission levels. So for a member, you'll probably want their permission level to be a member. This means that they can see all of the normal pages that everyone else can, but then they can also see this members area page. Normal people will probably get an A. For access level, these are who you want to be able to edit certain areas of the website. So the access level here, because I don't want them to be able to edit any of the pages, I'm just going to leave it NA. We then click Save Changes, and there we go, we have our member added to our list. You can change who has admin access by clicking on their username and changing their username, password, email, You can change their permission level, and as long as you click Save Changes afterwards, it will save anything new that you've done. You can also delete people from here, just like that. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.